In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your Fiverr profile link. This is a quick but essential skill for freelancers who want to share their services with potential clients, add their portfolio to social profiles, or include a direct link in emails. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your public seller link and how to copy it without any confusion. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr. You'll see the official Fiverr website appear near the top of the results. Click the official result to go straight to Fiverr's homepage. If you want to find it faster next time, you can bookmark the site once you're in. Once you're on Fiverr, make sure you're signed in to your account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your profile options. On desktop, look to the upper right corner of the page for your profile picture or account icon. Click that icon to open a small menu. From that menu, select Profile. This takes you to your public-facing profile, the page clients see when they check out your gigs, ratings, and description. When your profile loads, take a moment to confirm you're viewing the public page, not an editing or dashboard screen. You can tell you're in the right place because there's a share option visible on the profile page interface. Click Share. A small panel or pop-up will appear with different sharing choices. In that panel, click Copy Link. The link to your public Fiverr profile is now copied to your clipboard, ready to paste wherever you need it. A quick tip: to double-check that you've copied the correct link, paste it into a new browser tab, a note, or a message to yourself. It should open your public profile without asking for any special access. If you accidentally landed on an internal or edit view before, just return to your profile via the menu and use the Share button again. Also, if you're on a phone or tablet, you'll find a similar profile icon and Share option. Just look for the same labels in the app or mobile site. Now you can paste your profile link into your email signature, social media bio, or messages to prospective clients. Keeping this link handy makes it easier for people to review your services and get in touch. And that's it. You visited Fiverr through Google, opened your profile from the top right menu, clicked Share, and then used Copy Link. Simple, clean, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and happy freelancing!